Hey everyone, so what are Tinder Vibes? So this is a new feature just released by Tinder and it's rolling out across the globe. And the idea is that you just have a series of questions about your personality and you just answer them. And hopefully it helps to get a better match. So something similar it is in other dating apps, for example, like Bumble or some other apps where before like starting using this app you need to answer like 10-20 questions to get better understanding of your profile and get better matches. And then your Tinder profile will be temporarily updated and you will be recommended to other people who have similar answers. And then if you match, you will now have a great conversation starter. So but this feature is still in beta, I think, and you need to make sure that you have your settings toggled to participate in Vibes if you'd like to use this feature. So go to settings, manage Vibes, and then when this option is available in your area, you will just get a notification from Tinder, and then you can just tap start vibing. So that's the idea. Here is the profile. Go to settings, and then manage Vibes, and then here you just can participate in Vibes, and then just wait for this notification. I don't know what to do if you tapped to not participate in Vibes, and then it will be probably harder to reset this again. But anyways, that's just the idea, so you just have a quick preview. Of course, if you don't like that, you can always turn off here.